2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, rear air conditioning. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.